Welcome to RestOB. In this guide, we will show you how to make orders, use the cart, and manage billing inside the RestOB POS system. 1. Adding items to cart. There are two ways to add items depending on your business type. Way 1. For retail or businesses with many products. Add your items to the inventory section. Check the video on how to add inventory items in RestOB. Make sure each item has a barcode. On the home page, tap the Scan Barcode icon. The scanning page appears. Scan items and choose quantities. After scanning all items, you can add them to the cart or click Complete Purchase to go directly to the cart with all scanned items. Way 2. For restaurants, coffee shops, salons, or businesses with limited products. Add your items in the Add Item section. Check the video on how to add item in RestOB POS. After adding, items appear on the home page. To add an item to the cart, tap the plus button next to the item. Tap plus again to increase quantity. If your item has options or choices, tap the item image or text to open the detail page. Adjust quantity, choose options, and tap Add to Cart. You can either stay on the detail page or tap Complete Purchase to go to the cart. 2. Using the cart. Once items are in the cart, you can change quantities of items, add fees, taxes, or discounts. Tap Add/Reduce. To add a new one, tap Add Percentage. Enter the name, for example, tax, discount, and percentage value. For example, 10%. Choose Add for fees/taxes or Reduce for discounts. Tap the check icon at the top right, then the other check icon to apply. The fee, tax, or discount now appears below the subtotal. Record cash payment. Enter the amount given by the customer to automatically calculate change. Add payment methods. Tap Add to include methods like cash, card, PayPal, Apple Pay. This helps track preferred payment methods. 3. Checkout and receipts. After reviewing the cart, tap Checkout. The receipt will display with details of the purchase. You can share the bill directly with the client or print the receipt. 4. Managing billing and receipts. Tap Receipts at the bottom left corner. Here you can view all receipts, make a refund. Note: refunds are permanent. They will also update analytics and inventory quantities. To customize receipts, tap the Settings icon. Add business logo, business name, and multiple information lines. Set PDF width, common, 57mm, 80mm, or custom. Choose what content to show or hide. Note: total, item name, item total, quantity, and options/choices cannot be hidden. Tap Save to apply new settings for new receipts only. Example: hide all optional information. Hide all optional content one by one. Click Save. Add an item to the cart, choose Options, and tap Checkout. Tap the Share button, then choose Print or another tool to see the PDF. Now only main information is visible on the receipt. Thank you for using RestOB. If you have any questions, please visit restob.com.